Oh hey, we didn't see you today. We were just having fun making some sidewalk art inspired by graffiti artist Haring. But it looks like it might rain, so let's take this inside.
We collected all our supplies, paper, markers, pencils, scissors, and glue, and got right to work decorating our backgrounds. We used simple geometric and organic shapes to fill in our entire space. Next, with a pencil, we drew the shapes we were going to outline. With a marker, we traced around the shapes to get the figures we wanted. After erasing the pencil lines, we added bright, fun colors with the markers, but please use whatever materials you have at home. And don't worry about staying in the lines.
Now it's time to cut.
Cut out each of your shapes.
You ready? Okay, take them and place them.
And arrange them on your background. For some extra added fun, we used our scraps to cut out strips and accordion fold them to make our shapes pop off the page. We glued the strips on the back of each of our shapes. We used about 2 strips per shape. Hope you have fun! Can't wait to see what you create.